This is John Watts. Today, in our continuing series on debt buyer lawsuits, I want to address what is really the fundamental issue that these debt buyers, at least in our experience, seem to struggle with, and that is showing that they own the debt. And so we've titled this video, "Where's the Title?" Okay? When you buy a car, you obviously want to see the title to the car. When you buy a house, you want to make sure that the person selling you the house actually owns the house. And you would be rightfully nervous and would not want to do business with somebody who whispered to you and said, "Hey, come here in this alley. I'm selling you this car, but I don't have the title. Just trust me." You would probably, and I hope you would, be wanting to run the other way instead of doing business with that type of person. Same thing with the house. Somebody said, "Got this great house, it's a great deal, but I'm not going to show you any proof that I own this house." You would be thinking, wait a minute, this is a scam, this is a fraud. Well, when we get into debt buyer lawsuits, what we find is that the debt buyers often will not prove that they own the debt. They will claim to have bought the debt, and their lawyers will act very indignant about, "How dare you suggest we don't own this debt?" But they won't prove it. And really, they're no different than that guy in the alley who's kind of motioning to you and saying, "Hey, trust me. I really do own this car, even though I can't prove it to you." That's what these debt buyers do. And it reminds me, and this will probably give you an idea how old I am, and if you remember this, then we'll know how old you are as well. But it reminds me of that old Wendy's commercial where the lady gets the hamburger, opens it up, and there's just a tiny bit of meat there. And she looks up and says, "Where's the beef?" Well, that's what we've got here. A debt buyer has sued you. A debt buyer claims that you owe the money to them. And yet we get into trial and everybody's looking around. The judges are looking around. We're looking around. Everybody's looking around saying, "Where's the proof of ownership?" And these debt buyers seem to not have any concern over that. And so remember, they have to prove that they own the debt. Or as we're saying in this, they have to answer the question, where's the title? Where's the title to the debt? If you'd like more information, feel free to call us at 205-879-2447. You can go to our main website, alabamaconsumer.com, or you can fill out a report that's probably listed right below this video. And there's a form there, put your name and email and your state, and we'll send you out our free report on the 5 secrets that debt buyers do not want you to know about, and how knowing these secrets can help you in your lawsuit. Thank you very much.